Chairman Jadav Paeng visits West Karbi Anglong. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. With an aim to spread awareness about science as well as environment, a Gramya Vigya Mela was organized at Kheroni High School on Saturday. To the surprise and amazement of everyone, the famous environmentalist popularly known as Forest Man of Assam, Jadav Paeng, graced the event. The event was organized by the Kopili Valley branch of Assam Vigyan Samiti and was held at Kheroni High School. During the program, discussions were held on the issue of nature and atmosphere. National Award winner for protection of environment, Jadav Paeng, shared his testimony on how he stood firm to build a forest on his own. Further, he said that rain and good air can exist only in the presence of forests and jungles. Also expressed his concerns and fears over disappearing forest covers, stating that with the destruction of forests comes destruction of ecological balance and it will result in several unprecedented circumstances like outbreak of pandemic and others.
Hoy, amar jimanbur yat bhayamot janagosti ase prokriti tie prokriti pa loy কিন্তু এটা কমাব লাগে প্ৰকৃতি ধ্বংস কৰি আমি জীয়াই থাকিব লাগে সেইটো কথা কৰিব নালাগে আৰু সংকুচিত কৰিব নালাগে তাৰ পিছত হাতিয়াৰ মানুহৰ সংঘাত বেছি হ'ব যিমান গছ গছনি কাটিব কিমান হাতিয়াৰ মানুহৰ সংঘাত বেছি হ'ব বান্দৰ আৰু মানুহৰ সংঘাত হ'ব সেইটো নকৰিবৰ কাৰণে কাৰ্বিবাসীসকলক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ আৰু দিয়ে প্ৰচাৰকো কম বাৰু এই বিষয়ে অলপ সজাগতা কৰিবলৈ আৰু সেইটো কৰিবলৈ হ'লে কি কৰিব লাগিব সেই মানুহৰ অৰ্থ সামাজিকৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকৰ এপইণ্টমেণ্ট দিবলৈ যেনেকৈ কাজিৰঙা দিয়া হ'ল তেনেকৈ তেখেতে চিন্তা কৰিব লাগিব তেতিয়াহে কামটো হ'ব আৰু সজাগতা কমিটি এখন কাৰ্বি আংলঙত সেইটো বনাই দিব লাগিব তেতিয়া এইটো হ'ব বা ঠিক আছে সেইটোত গুৱাহাটীত গৈ চিফ কনজাৰভেটৰৰ লগত এইবোৰ আলোচনা হ'ব ক'ত ক'ত কি আছে ফৰেষ্টবিলাকততো অকল অসমৰ ফৰেষ্ট বুলিয়েই নহয় গোটেই ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ ফৰেষ্টবিলাকত মই যাব লাগে সেইকাৰণে এই সজাগতা কমিটিবিলাক গঠন কৰি আৰু তাত যোগ্য অনুযায়ী তাত এপইণ্টমেণ্ট দিব লাগে কাজিৰঙাত যেনেকুৱা কৰিছোঁ তেনেকুৱা কৰিব লাগিব আমাৰ হাবি কাষত থকা মানুহবিলাক
এই সমাজক আপুনি কি আহ্বান জনাব
খেৰনি হাই স্কুললৈ আমন্ত্ৰণ কৰা দেখি ভালে বিজ্ঞান সমিতিও মাতিছে তালৈ খুব ইয়াত যে পাতিছে সেইটো কথা মই আগতে জনা নাছিলোঁ ইয়াত আহিয়ে গম পাইছোঁ আৰু সেইটো খুব ভাল পদক্ষেপ ল'লে বুলি মই ভাবোঁ কাৰণ গাঁৱৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ সজাগতাটো খুব প্ৰয়োজন আছে সেইকাৰণে ভাল লাগিছে আৰু বিশেষকৈ ইয়াত সৌন্দৰ্যটো গছ গছনি আছে আনৰ দৰে নহয় সেইকাৰণে ইয়াত নিশ্চয় আপোনালোকৰ এই পদক্ষেপে আৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীখিনি বিজ্ঞান সমিতিয়ে উৎসাহিত কৰিব আৰু খুব সম্ভৱ চাগে এই বছৰটো যোৱা বছৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট বিজ্ঞান সমিতি গুজৰাটত হৈছিল এই বছৰ অসমত আছিল বোকাখাটত কিন্তু পাতিব নোৱাৰিলে COVID-19 কাৰণে আৰু অহা COVID-19 শেষ হৈ গ'লে চাগে অহা বছৰ অসমত
It was also attended by Hamran Forest Division DFO Rajiv Ingti and several other employees of the Southern Range. Every speaker on the occasion laid emphasis on the need to plant and to protect trees. Mohan Teran report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. In a good news coming from the field of cinema, one Karbi actor Harlongbi Phangcho is stated to appear in an upcoming Bollywood movie. Here is more about the actor. Harlongbi Phangcho will appear in the Ayushmann Khurrana's upcoming film Anne. According to reports on December last year, the production company came to Kohara to see the location for shooting. It is learned that the shooting will begin from January 25. The film is being directed by Anubhav Singh. The casting team includes Ayushmann Khurrana, Deni Denzongpa, J.D. Chakravarti, Jhannu Barua and others. Our local actor Harlongbi Phangcho will play the role of Ayushmann Khurrana's friend in the film. Harlongbi will be the second Karbi to get a chance to appear in Bollywood after Rajiv Kro, who played the role of a father in Penalty. Harlongbi hails from Hemai Lekthi village in Kohara under Duarbagari MSC constituency. Harlongbi had done a 20-day-long workshop on acting conducted by the National School of Drama, Guwahati, held from 1st to 21st February 2019. His parents are Subhai Singh Phangcho and late Kasang Bepi. It is worth mentioning that Harlongbi had been always dedicated and passionate towards art and acting. He had shown his talent in acting in Karbi films like Facebook Akai and is also appearing in an upcoming Rajiv Kro directed movie at Lep Lep. Arjisa Rongpha report from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live. Coming forward to show humanitarian care and assistance to a fellow human in need, the Jambali NGO had on Friday provided help to a deceased girl, Rimsika Lekthepi. The girl hails from Upper Diopani, Moikang Lekthe under number 24 Diopani constituency. Rimsika had been suffering from a rare skin disease, DEW, and is under immense pain. The skin disease infected her from the age of 3. Her parents are economically weak, and on top of that, her father had passed away 7 years ago. Since then, her mother has been struggling to feed the family. She told the NGO that even though she wished to take her daughter to the hospital, her poverty did not allow her. Hearing about the Rimsika's poor condition, Jambali NGO arranged some medicines with help of some kind-hearted persons and reached the family. Further, they also assured to help Rimsika with all capacity. The girl's mother had expressed her gratitude to the NGO for their kindness. Shubhas Terang report from Langchithing for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.